Hey, what's up, buddies? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another latest update video of the Polygon Matic. What's the latest update? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos. The current live price of the Polygon Matic in the market is 1.6 USD dollar. 1.6 USD dollar. That is the live price of the Polygon Matic. Other side, if we talk about the changes occurred in the Polygon Matic, so now you can see the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day changes is negative, and last 1 week changes occur in the Polygon Matic in the market is completely positive. So every change occur in the Polygon Matic in the market is positive. So what should we do at this critical situation? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos about the Polygon Matic. Let me show the price chart. Just look here, guys. If you do a technical analysis of the price chart, so you can see this time the price falls, here pump. So really complicated changes occur in the Polygon. We can't say about the future of the Polygon due to its complicated changes. If they continue to travel like a pattern in some pattern, but here is no pattern. You can see here 1 minute price pump, second minute price dump. So that's why the technical analysis is very bad. But anyways, I believe that after fast the price will pump, and you can see here this time the price falls down. So absolutely in the future possibilities, we can't see about the future, I'm not sure, possibilities that the price will pump. Anyways, guys, what do you think about Polygon Matic future? What is your prediction? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.